In heaven? Henry, come on back here. Come get some more shoes. Look at all those socks, huh? Oh, nope, not back there. Come on this way. This way.
Now you can do that.
So now we know, Grace, all we might need is to
Where
get
are you, huh?
That's right.
What do you think?
Can you stay there, Emily, or no? I don't think so. Emily's going to love going to your school tomorrow, Grace. You might want to send Mommy away just so you can get Emily out of the classroom. So
Look at all those shoes.
all right, kids.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you so much.
No problem, you guys.
I'm personally sad about the Lacoste,
I'm
but
sorry.
it's all right. You know, we can't be fashionable all the time.
That's right. Oh, shoot.
Okay, well, it's time to go to the car.
Come on, Henry, this way.
Oh, yeah, I don't like
Come on.
those. They're sparkly, right?
What do you think? Whoa.
Wait, like that? Maybe press inside. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Those are crazy. Yeah,
What about
the other girl
those?
had
Oh
them,
my
right?
gosh.
All right, thank you very much. Come on, darling. Let's go.
Oh, now you got the whole store to yourself. Yeah.
Okay, ready for Nancy?
We're ready. You ready? Let's go try them on. Come on.
Ready to try some